Creating a new welding robot program. To create a new program, first, run the app and connect with the robot, then proceed as follows. In the window that appears by clicking the New button, enter the name of the new program you want in English and click the Save button to create it. Next, register the current robot's posture as the home position by clicking the Begin text on the left edit window. After placing the robot in the home position, press the Get button and then the Z button to save the home position. If you expand the robot control window on the right side of the screen and click the home icon, the robot is initially assigned to the home position. Next, move the robot so that the robot moves to the approach position and click the Move icon to designate the position. Next, after placing the robot at the point where the robot starts welding, click the Move icon again to register. To start welding, click the Arc Weld icon on the right side of the screen. Among the icons in the robot control window, designate it as Arcon and click the Z button to apply it. Next, after positioning the robot at the point where welding will end, designate the position with the Move icon, click the Arc Weld icon to designate the Arc Off, and click the Z button to apply. After welding is complete, move the robot so that the robot moves to the Depart position and click the Move icon to designate the position. Finally, click the Home icon to designate the home location so the robot can return to its home location. Now that programming is complete, click the Save button to save the created program. Now you can see if the real robot moves as you programmed it, and it works. First, in the window that appears when you click the play icon at the bottom of the screen, hold down the approach button to make the actual robot move to the home position. When the initial position arrival message appears, press the OK button, click the play icon again, and raise the speed control bar to start the robot as programmed. That was the way to make a new program.
J System.